Heartfulness meditation. Find a comfortable seat and close your eyes, or soften your gaze. Take a few moments to settle into your body. Bring your full awareness to your heart center in the middle of your chest. Visualize your heart as a lotus flower, closed at first yet ready to unfurl its petals and blossom. See its vibrant color and delicate shape. Now imagine divine, golden light emanating from deep within your heart center, making the lotus gently open one petal at a time, becoming fully open and radiant. Feel your heart filled with light, open and alive. Breathe slowly and deeply into your heart space. With each inhalation and exhalation, feel your breath massaging and energizing your heart. Silently repeat love as you inhale, visualizing pure love cleansing any burdens or stagnation from your heart center. Repeat gratitude as you exhale, sending appreciation through every cell of your being emanating from your heart. Continue breathing love and gratitude into your heart center, seeing your lotus flower bloom into full vibrancy with each breath. When thoughts arise, view them neutrally as passing clouds. Gently return your focus to your heart center, this wellspring of love and light within you. Imagine divine light washing any remaining tension or heaviness away. Feel your heart becoming totally open, energized, expansive, and renewed. Now, visualize this loving light effortlessly radiating out from your open heart in all directions. First through your body, then beyond you, touching all beings. Send unconditional love, compassion, and goodwill to all through your breath. Feel your connection to all life. Stay focused on your heart as long as you are comfortable. Take a few more breaths grounded in your heart center, then gently return your awareness to the present when ready. Carry this open-hearted presence with you,